Welcome back to the channel. Today's Sunday afternoon. I've been to church. I usually don't do much farm work on Sundays, day of rest and worshiping the Lord, but sometimes during harvest and planting I'll come out to shop, grease something, clean some windows, fuel something up, just kind of get ready for the next week. I've been sent a pair of boots. Isaiah is the brand. You can look on Amazon, their website, around $67. They wanted to send me a pair of boots and let me try them out, and actually got them back this summer, and they're kind of thick, and it was just too hot to wear them. So now that it's cooling off, I'm gonna give them an honest review. I tried them on, wore them a little bit this summer, and I thought they might be a little too small. And I've had them on about 2 hours, and so far they seem like they're gonna fit right. But we're gonna give them a couple of weeks and see how they hold up, and see if at the end of the day if my feet's killing me. That's gonna be the real judge of that. When I bring you back, we'll be doing some kind of farming or mechanicking. Don't know yet. Yep, that's right. Moving down the road with a 8-row header. Throw all caution to the wind. We're moving fields. We're 8 rows in. Let's see what we're working with here. That last field went, my calculations, around 110 acres, or 10 bushels an acre. Not too bad. I don't know if he's preoccupied today with Facebook or texting, but it seems like something's very interesting on his phone. Well, I pulled a trigger on a piece of used equipment today. Probably be a couple weeks before I can go get it. I gotta go up north to get it. Maybe a road trip video, I don't know. But this will probably be one of the first fields I try it out in. Just to eating the corn. Well, the verdict is still out on this field. I don't think it's going to be no 70 bushel, but it's not going to be no 120 either. I'll have a pretty close idea when we get done. I have been checking on the monitor for the combine next year. Be next year, probably this winter put it in. And I also want to say today is my dog's birthday, Buster. He's turned 5 today. So we're going to try to get this truck loaded. He had a rounded up hopper. I've got a full grain cart because it won't take us too long. But I got a problem. That engages my PTO, and PTO is not engaging. So I got a relay or a fuse or something shot, and I ain't got none of that with me. So I'm done for the night. Just when I thought everything was running smooth, I'm down. Got a relay here. I'm gonna go to parts house first thing in the morning, see if that's my problem. But don't count me out yet. I got to thinking if it's a relay, there should be another relay that I could borrow from another spot. So I got one out of the mechanical front wheel drive that powers it, and it's working. Well, we're back again. Wasn't nothing major. We're still gonna try to get the truck full. Now I'll bring you back tomorrow. Another late start today. We've been messing with that gearbox, and we've heated, banged, pulled, done everything we can trying to get that gearbox, that auger off. He don't like much here, so me and Doug are getting everything moved except for the semi and the combine right now to the next field. Well, if my calculations are correct, we got about 55-60 bushel an acre off that last field. And now we're on the farm that's about 81 acres here, but it's several different patches. And this first patch I don't look to do real good. I think some of the bigger fields are gonna do good, but we'll just have to wait and see. He done hit a mailbox or something, looks like. Had to move that mailbox right there so he get back here, and may still have problems. We're over on an 8-acre field on this farm. It's not looking the best in the world either. I attempted on my own to do a test plot over here with some seed that I was thinking about carrying, and this last field I planted, and the planter really messed up on me, so I'm not even trying to see which rows are doing the best. We're just harvesting it. This field here, I've only been farming about 5 years. It came out of CRP, and you can see all that greenness out there even in the corn. This is probably the hairiest cornfield we've got this year. But you can see all the sickle pot. I'm gonna do a fall burn down before wheat. And I'm not putting wheat out here on this field, but I think I'm gonna burn this down with some gramoxone, try to kill that seed bank. Got a couple other places, other fields I may do a couple of spots on, but yeah, it's time to start fighting the sickle pod because I think it's getting worse every year. So about all this farm here, I've got a cart out some way or another down this road. Probably could have got a semi back to this spot, but on further you can't, so I just got a cart out two ways too. One way is going through the woods to another field that we got to cut first. But this is pretty good hill right here. On this route I've got two, when I get back to the big field, two hills to pull.
I actually can read a little bit now.
You can?
I actually can read the little e-book.
You can?
Yeah.
What's 2 plus 2?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know all the stuff. I just know, you know, counting. And I also can count other stuff.
Can you count to 10?
Yeah.
I don't hear you do it. I don't think you can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow. So you all ready for Christmas, huh?
Not really.
Well, you got the shirt on.
Yeah, I know.
It's not even October yet.
Yeah.
You got your Christmas tree up yet?
No.
No.
We only put our Christmas trees up in winter time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'm thinking about getting 2 Christmas trees because we're having an addition going on, and we're just, you know, that's doing a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And these are my shoes.
I think they're on the wrong feet, aren't they?
I know.
Yeah, they're comfortable that way, ain't they?
Sort of.
I had to come down here a minute ago and push a gate post, fence post out right there so we could come in here with the header on. And we could have took the header off, but there's no good place up here on this hill to put it on at. Maybe this right here, I was hoping it's going to be some really good corn. We're going to see if it is or not.
Is there cows in there?
No, there's no cows.
There's a fence there.
Well, it used to be cows. I'm going to have to run over a few rows of corn to get to him. He almost made it. Almost made it. So we're trying to cut the ends out. I've got a full grain cart. He's got a combine full, and I've got to go all the way around the field. So it's done late enough. We're not going to get another truck off. So he's got somewhere to go. So we're calling it early night at 15 after 5. Need to be running, but anyways, we'll probably work on the auger some more in the morning and bring it back, cutting, shelling more corn. Slow go. Well, good morning again. It's very cool this morning, and Dad and Mike, that helped us some last year, is working on the grain auger, and me and Doug, the truck driver, is shelling corn. So we're still limping along, but hopefully we can be full speed ahead again. I was wanting to get done with corn this week. It's not going to happen, but we'll be dang close to it. Well, I'm not seeing no big ears out here on this. Again, this is a disappointment. I thought this field would do really good, and I thought I got some rains that some of the other areas didn't. Big disappointment. But we are loving this new 8-row head. And once I get out of the inrows, lining up back up on that with a 12-row planter, it's not too bad. Well, I got the truck driver trained, hopefully on the grain cart. So I'm gonna get back to combine and have him another load time he gets back. Well, I thought once we got off the hillside over there, we'd get in some better corn, and I'm just kind of going through the middle of the field here just to see what it is. And it ain't working with much over here today. Waiting on the grain cart. It seems like this field is all of a sudden starting to turn out. I had a couple of passes here. Wasn't nothing coming in back there. I think I've got out of that, and it seemed like after lunch everything has changed. So maybe it won't be as bad as what we thought, or what I was thinking earlier. Speaking of not coming in, I edited it out, but another night was running. Well, I was talking in my phone, my GoPro cut off, but the other night I thought that her dad thought something was wrong with the combine, because he cut his lights on and wasn't nothing coming in back there, but it wasn't nothing wrong. We actually stopped and checked to see if something was wrong, and just no corn coming in. Pipe coming. Let's get up here and unload. We're down to 13% moisture, and getting off the road. 61-pound test weight. We're golden. I'm always in the cart and the tractor. I don't think I've ever got this view of that on video. Putting y'all right into the sun. There we go. Not a good sign. I'm done for the day. I was headed across the field, almost down there at the far end. Alarm went off. So the auger, the clean grain auger, is not moving. It's like something slipping. We had this happen last year, and this elevator right here is more than likely packed up full of crap. Make a few adjustments on some things and we'll be back rolling, but I ain't got nobody here to help me, and it's just late enough that we're gonna mess with it in the morning. So this is the video. 3 days in the making. I ain't got much done. Good news is Dad is and 2 other guys are about got the auger at the bend fixed, so we will be running back to the bend next video. We got to put some in the bend. Can't haul it all off because I think the price is going to go up. So this is the video. I was hoping to get done with corn this week. Today's Wednesday. If this ain't too major, I don't think we're going to get done, but we're going to put a big dent in it this weekend. Maybe finish up next week. So thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.